Here are 2 easy tricks that you could teach your dog by yourself. First one is called spin, and it looks a little like this. It's really cute. You're going to want to get your training tree. I'm using a blueberry, and you're going to want to guide them around in a circle while saying spin. You're going to keep repeating guiding them around. The dog also has to be standing up for this. They cannot be sitting down. Keep practicing and repeating that to have the final result. The second one is boop. It's really, really cute and probably my favorite trick. You're going to put the blueberry under your hand with your thumb holding it, and as soon as their nose touches your hand, you're going to give them the treat. So like this, she touches it, I give her the treat right away. You could practice moving farther and farther away, and eventually you'll have boop. These are probably my 2 favorite tricks. But yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below if you want me to do a little bit harder tricks that you could teach. Bye guys!
Hey Kylo, can I tell you something?
Mm.
You know how we have this quarantine?
Mm.
And we've been working from home?
Mm.
Well, I have some bad news.
Mm.
We have to go back.
Mm.
I know. Eventually. I don't know when, but eventually.
I go down the stairs for breakfast. Go in the backyard, that's where I eat a stick. Sit on the couch and stare at something that's not there. And then I lay on your laptop so you can't do sh**. And then I'll lick my butt and chew my legs some more. Then I lay upside down right on the bathroom floor. And then lay the same way right by the downstairs door into the couch where I've always been. And I keep chewing and licking and staring and sitting.
I was born a dog. I identify as a dog, but according to my mom, I'm just a baby.